What's going on, FMFAM? It's your boy coming back with another freaking video. Alright, so y'all remember that Armada that I was talking about? Oh, this thing is stout. Okay, they actually bought some stuff. Alright, one of the things they bought was these damn battery terminals. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? You see why I replaced this? Look at that. Look at how it's not even secured. Alright, so if y'all want to see how I replace this cable and if it fixed the vehicle, head over to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, turn post notifications on, and your boy will be posting. I'm trying to post every single freaking day. Super thanks in the bottom. Deuce.